YouView update problems are surprisingly common, especially affecting older YouView Plus boxes like the T2100 and T4000 series. Many users also experience ISP-specific issues with BTTV and TalkTalk configurations. The first and most effective quick fix is power cycling your YouView box. This simple process resolves many temporary software glitches and connection issues. Next, verify your internet connection. YouView requires a stable broadband connection with a minimum speed of 2 megabits per second for successful firmware downloads. If automatic updates fail, you can manually trigger an update through your YouView box settings. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Software Update to force a manual check. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. However, this will erase all your settings, recordings, and personal data, so make sure to back up anything important before proceeding with this option. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve YouView update issues, advanced technical solutions become necessary. These methods require more technical knowledge, but can solve persistent problems. The first advanced solution is configuring your DNS settings. DNS servers translate website names into IP addresses, and using public DNS servers can resolve many connectivity issues. Google DNS at 898.8 and 898.4.4 is widely used and reliable. Cloudflare DNS at 1.11.1 and 1.0.1 offers fast performance and privacy features. Here's how the configuration looks in Windows. Port forwarding is another advanced solution. YouView services require specific network ports to be open for communication. This is especially important if you have a restrictive router or firewall configuration. Sometimes the issue lies with your internet service provider. ISPs like BT and TalkTalk have experienced network configuration changes that affect YouView updates. Contacting your ISP can help identify and resolve these issues. Prevention is better than cure. Implementing regular maintenance schedules, monitoring your network infrastructure, and ensuring stable power during updates can prevent most update problems from occurring. YouView is evolving towards more intelligent update systems. Future developments include AI-powered diagnostics, IP-only updates that don't rely on broadcast signals, and smarter scheduling based on individual usage patterns. These improvements should significantly reduce update failures. These advanced solutions and prevention strategies provide comprehensive approaches to YouView update problems. While technical, they offer reliable solutions when standard troubleshooting fails, ensuring your YouView experience remains smooth and up to date.